Aloha, Sky Control checking in, and some great news I just found out. I've been hired again for the U-Surf competition that's coming up September 19th, 20th, and 21st. So my goal is to get some FPV action for surfing because the level of drone pilot skills have increased to the point where I can't tell who's filming, what drone pilot is filming the surfer, because I think we all got our own type of style, but we're all getting close, we're all spinning around the subject, we're all hovering right next to them, and it's very hard to determine who was the pilot. But now I plan on doing some FPV with my homeboy Kanis, and we're gonna be doing some, I'm gonna be practicing with him because he's gonna be on an electric skateboard, and that's gonna simulate a surfer. So I'm gonna be trying to hone in my skills so I can bring some FPV to surfing. The game has changed, folks. The game has changed. Let's get it. Right now is I'm about to put it here, hit record, do my thing, and then in post I'll be able to change it to 16:9 or 9:16 later. But I don't know how the stabilization is gonna look. That's what we're testing today. Here we go. Stabilization test, Ace Pro 2 and the Illmatic FPV drone. Bro,